Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cook with Surbi. So today I am going to cook this yummy, delicious and lip smacking honey chili chicken. This is very tempting and very delicious in taste. I hope you will like this video. Instead of chicken we can use paneer. So let's get started. So first of all we will heat up the pan. And in the meanwhile we are going to make some cuts on the chicken pieces in this way. On all the pieces we are going to make some cuts. So if you are using paneer instead of chicken, you can put the cuts over there. So now we are going to put some oil here, about 2 tablespoons of oil I have taken. This is unflavored oil. You can take olive oil, sunflower oil as per your choice. So the flame is medium, it's not high, it's not low, it's on medium. Once the oil is heated up, we are going to put garlic here. The garlic I have just crushed it. So now you can see the garlic starts sparkling here. The crinkle sound will come, and then we are going to add all our chicken pieces. So give a stir to the chicken, upside down, and then we are going to close the pan with the help of a lid just for 2 to 3 minutes. So now after 3 minutes you can see the color of the chicken. It has been changed from pink to peanut color. Flame is medium only here. Now into this I am going to add about 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Or you can adjust the salt as per your taste, and about half teaspoon of red chili powder. So as I am preparing this food for my kids, so I am adding not too much. You can adjust it as per your taste. So now I am going to give it a good stir here. So now I am going to prepare one sauce. I am going to take 2 to 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. The soya sauce is a bit salty, so you can always consider it while putting the salt into your food. And soya sauce, you have to make adjustment here. Then about 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato chili sauce. And about 1 to 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. into this I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Going to pour it into the I'm going mixture. To add. So now see, we have just poured it into this. Now see the texture. A very good texture. All the spices and sauce get completely covered. Now here I am adding some black pepper. So see this black pepper I have added here. Now see the color of the chicken, how so tempting it's looking. Now in the meanwhile I'm going to prepare one more solution. I am taking approx half cup of water. Into this I am going to add 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour, not more than that, just 1.5 tablespoon. Okay, and just we are going to mix a very good solution here. See, there is no lumps in this solution. And I am going to pour this mixture to the chicken. Now pour this mixture to the chicken and give it a mix, and then for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes just check. Now see how glossy and lip smacking this chicken looks, and the taste, you will feel like it's amazing. So see, so I have transferred the chicken from pan to a bowl. Now see how delicious this looks.